Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. I am CMA Akula Sridhar and this is Finance MCQ channel. In this channel, we are trying to bring to you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin and go through jobs pertaining to this week. So friends, first a reminder for those who have still not applied for these 4 vacancies of Executive Trainee Finance and 1 vacancy of Company Secretary advertised by KIOCL Limited, which is a Government of India enterprise. Friends, here the education qualification for Executive Trainee Finance is either a Chartered Accountant or a Cost and Management Accountant. While for Company Secretary, you should be an associate member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. These are permanent posts and in here, even freshers are also eligible to apply. And the package would be 9.5 lakhs gross. Hurry up friends, as the last date is tomorrow, that is 25th July 2021. Moving on. So before we move on friends, an important piece of information for those who applied for Junior Accountant or Accounts Officer at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies, or who applied for Officer Grade B at NPS Trust, that for the Phase 2 exam, or have applied for Management Trainee Finance at BDL, that is Bharat Dynamics Limited, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which consists of 60% marks in case of Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited, 50% marks in case of NPS Trust and 67% weightage, that is 100 out of total 150 marks in case of BDL, is brought to you in MCQ format. Friends, here explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required, and not only this, there is an email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these MCQs. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by professionals such as Chartered Accountant or Cost and Management Accountant, which gives the course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. And friends, if you log into financemcq.in, take a demo, you will realize that the entire system is designed in such a way so as to give the candidates a real exam-like environment. So do visit financemcq.in and practice for your technical syllabus well. All the best friends. Moving on, next vacancy is from ICAR Research Institute, which is under Department of Agricultural Research and Education under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Friends, here the recruitment is for 21 vacancies of Finance and Accounts Officer on All India basis. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks, and the desirable qualification is either a Chartered Accountant or a Cost and Management Accountant or a Company Secretary or individual having specialization in finance, accounting or commerce at PG level. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent posts, and here also freshers are eligible to apply, and the package would be 11 lakhs gross. And friends, here you will have to apply online latest by 23rd August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 44 vacancies of administrative officer. So friends, here also a commerce graduate is eligible, as the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. Here again a permanent job, and here also freshers are eligible to apply, and the package would be 11 lakhs gross. Friends, here also you'll have to apply online latest by 23rd August 2021. Moving on. Next vacancy is from Nainital Bank Limited for the recruitment of 75 vacancies of management trainees at Northern India. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation or post-graduation with minimum 50% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. These are again permanent posts, and here there is no compulsory experience. However, preferable experience is between 1 to 2 years. Here friends, after absorption you will get an initial basic of 36,000 plus allowances as applicable, and you will have to apply online latest by 31st July 2021. Moving on, friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 75 vacancies of clerk at Northern India. Friends, the education qualification is also same, that is graduation or post-graduation with minimum 50% marks. Here friends, the upper limit is 28 years. Again permanent post friends, and there is no compulsory experience requirement to apply for this vacancy. However, preferable experience is between 1 to 2 years. Friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 17,900 to 47,920 plus applicable allowances. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 31st July 2021. So friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below. So you can directly click there and apply for your vacancies. Moving on. Next vacancy is from the Andhra Pradesh State Cooperative Bank Limited for the recruitment of 20 vacancies of manager in Scale 1 at Andhra Pradesh. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 40% marks. And friends, here these vacancies are reserved for locals of Andhra Pradesh state. Here friends, the upper limit is 28 years, all are permanent post, and there is no experience requirement to apply here as well. And friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 36,000 to 63,840, and you'll have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Punjab State Power Corporation Limited for the recruitment of 18 vacancies of revenue accountant and 549 vacancies of clerk at Punjab. Friends, the education qualification for revenue accountant is BCom with minimum 60% marks, or MCom with minimum 50% marks, or a CA Inter or CMA Inter. While for clerk, it is graduation with the prescribed computer courses given in the advertisement. And friends, you can access the advertisement by clicking in the link given in the description box below. And friends, remember that in both the cases, you should have Punjabi as a compulsory subject in your matriculation. Friends, the upper limit is 37 years. These are permanent posts and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this vacancy. And friends, the pay scale will be intimated later by the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited. Friends, here the earlier date was 2nd July, which was later extended to 25th July, and now the last date to apply for this vacancy is 28th July 2021. Moving on. Friends, next vacancy is from IIIT Vadodara for its satellite campus at Diu. Friends, the recruitment is for one vacancy of junior superintendent. Friends, the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree and upper limit is 35 years. Friends, it is a contractual post and you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And friends, remember that the duration of your master's degree will also be counted as an experience. Friends, the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross. And friends, to apply for this vacancy, you'll have to mail to recruitment@diu.iit.vadodara.ac.in latest by 16th August 2021 and send a hard copy of your application within 7 days of 16th August 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from CSIR Central Drug Research Institute, which is under Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Friends, here the recruitment is for Junior Secretariat Assistant in Finance and Accounts category. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10+2 with accountancy as a subject, along with a typing speed of English of 35 words per minute and Hindi of 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. There are total 4 vacancies, as I said, in Lucknow. Friends, these are permanent posts and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. And the package would be 3.60 lakhs gross. Friends, to apply here, you'll have to first apply online by 30th August and send a hard copy of your application to Central Drug Research Institute latest by 15th September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is in stores and procurement category. Friends, the education qualification asked here is 10+2 with typing speed of English, that is 35 words per minute, and Hindi is 30 words per minute. Friends, rest of the details is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on, next vacancy is from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 6 vacancies of junior secretariat assistant in general category. So friends, here the education qualification is same, that is 10+2 along with English typing speed of 35 words per minute and Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. Friends, rest of the details is same as shown in the previous 2 slides. Moving on. Friends, next vacancy is from CSIR Central Glass and Ceramic Research Institute, which is again a unit of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Friends, here the recruitment is for 3 vacancies of Junior Secretariat Assistant in Finance and Accounts category at Kolkata. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10+2 with accountancy as subject along with typing speed of English of 35 words per minute and Hindi 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 3.60 lakhs gross and you'll have to apply online latest by 15th August 2021. Moving on. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 3 vacancies of Junior Secretariat Assistant in Stores and Procurement category at Kolkata. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10+2 along with English typing speed of 35 words per minute and Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. Friends, rest of the detail is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for junior secretariat assistant in general category. So friends, here there are total 7 vacancies at Kolkata, and rest of the details such as educational qualification, age limit, nature of employment, experience, package, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous 2 slides. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.